module JQ6500 voice module, MP3 module. We have two module JQ165. This is the module. We're going to make an MP3 player using this module. So we're going to upload a voice or sound effects for this IC. This is just an MP3 player. This is the circuit. After formatting the MP3 and then done with the uploading the audio for the MP3, we now have this push button connected to the module, and then the speaker, and this one is for the power. We're going to use 5 volts from the USB. Let us see what is the audio, recorded audio. So this is a recorded audio in MP3 files. So for uploading the files or any MP3, it must be MP3 for this module. Let us check.
Hello everyone, my name is Tagalog Electronics.
So that is the recorded audio. Again.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tagalog Electronics.
So whenever I press the button, this LED turns on, the onboard LED.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tagalog Electronics.
So his name is Tagalog Electronics, our channel. So that is the this MP3 module JQ6500, but the IC used is GD380D. But this module is called JQ6500. Okay? Again.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tagalog Electronics.
Once more.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tagalog Electronics.
So that is our MP3 player. This module I bought from online, and with the use of a speaker, the push button, and then the power bank, we can now have this playback, MP3 playback.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tagalog Electronics.
This is our module JQ6500, but the IC used is GD380D. So I think they are compatible. The same pins here, GD380D, the IC used, and the pins, we have 16 pins, pin header, and then we have two IC with SMD components. So here, the power is from 5 volts. Pin number 12, 5 volts, then negative to the ground, 11. The speaker, pin number 16 and 15, positive. The polarity positive here, negative here. And then for the button, key 1, connected to the SGND or ground, pin 6. Button, and then pin 1. So this is an MP3 player. So it means the audio files must be in MP3 format. Or we can also use WAV files. MP3 or WAV files for this module. So here, there's an LED on board. And then this is the main module. And then whenever we press the switch, there's a contact here. Then we hear sound to the speaker and audio. This is that is the recorded audio. MP3 audio. MP3 audio. So here we also have TX and RX. So this is a UART communication protocols for the, we can connect this to the microcontroller for some for while using for other projects. If we're going to use to this to or another project. Here we also have ADC left right, add key, pin 7, BC, pin 8, key 2, key 3, key 4, key 5. So we have 5 connection for the switch, but we are only using one because our audio files is just one. So whenever we press the button, we can hear the sound here at the speaker. And the sound is from the MP3 WAV files that we uploaded into the module, into the module using the computer through here. This is USB, micro USB, and connected to the PC while we are doing the programming or while we're doing the uploading the audio. Formatting first this MP3 and then just cut and paste, or we don't have any software used for this MP3 player. We just drag and drop or cut and paste for any audio files we're going to use for this module. So that is how it is connected. The button, the speaker, and the battery pivots to the module. And this is the MP3 player module DIY.